நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
You want to speak to an audience? Follow 3 principles. Stand up, speak up, shut up. Before the audience gets restive and they start moving about and then they start talking to themselves and some of them snoring, you better stop. Now last thing I heard in the afternoon was about research, and as Singh Saab rightly said, it is weighted so heavily on agriculture that I hardly heard anything about the clinical or the therapeutic effects of the Noni family. Whatever. Rina was very emotional, she got relieved, first class. But where is the science in it? Arthritis is not a disease. Arthritis simply means pain in the joint. There are hundreds of arthritis. So if your arthritis is relieved, it doesn't mean another person's arthritis will be relieved. Because I'll tell you what, disease is not just an entity. Disease is the person who suffers it. Remember that? Hippocrates said, do not try to understand the disease, but try to understand the patient who suffers from the disease. Now, Leena may be so emotionally attached to Noni product. The very fact that she is, even if you give her distilled water in a bottle and tell her that it is Noni, she will certainly improve to the same extent. This is what is called the expectation effect. It is so much that if she sees Peter's picture, she doesn't have to see Peter. If she sees his bearded picture and keeps it in front and say, here is the man who will save me every morning and drink tap water, I can assure you she will be perfectly normal. But to scientifically say that this Noni tonic has cured whatever arthritis she had, then you have to do very serious research. And that is trying to find out the effect of Noni, the therapeutic effect of Noni in a set of patients. That is what we do. Again, if you ask me, that is not real science. The science is changing a lot. But as of now, we think the end of research is RCTs, randomized controlled trials. But again, these are all statistical probabilities. Remember that? And statistics can be played either way. There are 4 ways you can easily play with statistics. One is called Texas sharpshooting. That is, if I am not a shooter, I don't know how to shoot. You give me a pistol and a wall, I keep on shooting at the wall. My hands are shaking. So I am not shooting at the target. There may be a target if you have one. I am shooting all over the place. After I have finished shooting, I go near the wall and search for an area where by accident shots have formed together in one area. And then I put a circle and say, that was my target. This is called Texas sharpshooting. A recent analysis of the 6 very famous scientific journals in medicine have shown that 90% of the research so far published has been Texas sharpshooting. You understand that? Now, next problem is mixed master technique. You buy some mangoes, onions, oranges, everything put in a basket, bananas, and then close your eyes, put your hand there, mix it nicely and take one fruit out and say, this is the representative fruit from this basket. This is what we call in science meta-analysis. Somebody has done a study in Punjab, somebody has done in Timbuktu, somebody has somewhere else, where the inclusion criteria is different, exclusion criteria is different, patients are different, drugs are different, atmosphere is different. Now for example, Singh Saab was talking about genes. I don't know about plants very much, little I know. But in the human being, gene is not the most important thing. Gene you can inherit, but gene to penetrate, that's called gene penetrance. To produce disease, the environment is the most important thing. In the environment, human mind is 60% important. Remember that? It's the mind that gives you disease or health. In short, now there is a new positive definition for health. Health is not the absence of disease. There are people with very serious disease, much more serious disease than Leena has. Still they are very healthy and working very hard. I'll give you one example. There's a man called Stephen Hawking. He is the professor of physics in Cambridge University, one of the mecca of physics,